Stop scrolling. If you have ever struggled with how to use Copilot like a 10x developer, this video will change everything. Here's the problem. Most people completely misunderstand how to use Copilot like a 10x developer. They follow outdated advice and never see real results. That ends today. Why does how to use Copilot like a 10x developer matter so much? Because in AI tools and technology, this single concept separates people who succeed from those who stay stuck. First key insight. Start with the fundamentals. Research shows that mastering the basics outperforms chasing advanced strategies by 3 to 1. Second, consistency beats intensity every single time when it comes to how to use Copilot like a 10x developer. A small daily action creates more progress than one massive effort. Third, your environment and systems matter more than motivation. Design your setup so that how to use Copilot like a 10x developer becomes the easy default. Here's what to do right now. Take out your phone, set a reminder, and commit to one specific action before the end of today. One more thing that surprises most people. The biggest breakthroughs with how to use Copilot like a 10x developer happen when you step back and let the process work. To recap, master the basics, stay consistent, design your environment, take action today, and trust the process. If this helped you understand how to use Copilot like a 10x developer, smash that like button and subscribe for daily AI tools and technology content. See you tomorrow.